a sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written, and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I have not had the opportunity
Please,
to meet
reply.
Because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I know
times
you are not serious.
How many times
tackling?
If you are serious, have you met?
If you are serious,
how many times have you met?
I'm really serious.
How many?
The House stands adjourned for 10 minutes.